After the viral video of the Goa Health Minister reprimanding a senior doctor, he sent out an apology. On India Today, the Goa Health Minister has said that he apologizes for publicly berating a senior doctor. The visual had gone viral after there was some complaint allegedly received against a senior doctor. So the health minister went in. That's the visual on his screen. It went super viral. He called the senior doctor. He was looking for the CMO. And then berating him, saying you need to also have a certain discipline and watch your tongue. But now the minister has put out an apology to all doctors, possibly expecting a backlash, but also importantly, a word that came in from Goa Chief Minister. Goa Chief Minister was not happy with how the health minister of the state responded and said, and Rane says, I was only backing the patients. My intent was good. I understand the pain of the patients. My mother is a cancer patient. I want to bring in Aishwarya Paliwal on this. Aishwarya, tell me more about as we put these visuals, because you had a conversation with the health minister. So what exactly happened? Now, listen in first. Aishwarya, stay on with me. Listen in as Aishwarya had that first conversation and an apology from Goa Health Minister.
There is a video of yours.
Yeah.
You are entering the hospital, and a lot of people believe that the tone and the tenure that you used, that was not correct. Can you tell us what exactly happened?
So actually, what happened is I had gone to see a patient, and generally, what happens is always pressure on the system that people want point of care to be excellent. People want systems, and I've been health minister for the last 13, 14 years. I've always seen and transformed the health sector in the state of Goa. And there was a press reporter who called me saying that his mother-in-law is not being given a particular injection because she was in a lot of pain. So unfortunately, a 77-year-old, and generally I'm very particular about discipline. That outburst, I've already put it on my social media that it was inappropriate. I have no ego. I may have hurt his sentiments, but unfortunately that provoked me the other day that a 77-year-old lady, ultimately I'm here to serve the poor people. I'm here to serve the people of the state of Goa and accountable to the people. I have always worked to see that the people don't go through the pain that I am going through with my mother suffering from cancer, who was a fourth stage patient who's also been basically she is basically being treated by the doctors from the health service and saved her life also on a couple of occasions from the doctors of the health services. I do agree that it was not appropriate in terms of the way I reacted at that moment. I could have called him and had a word with the doctor separately. But it just happened, this video went viral. And I apologize to the doctor fraternity if I've hurt their sentiments. But discipline is something that needs to be maintained in the government hospital. But once again, through your channel, ma'am, I would like to apologize once again to the doctor and his family if I have hurt his sentiment. I have not even issued the process of suspension of the doctor. That was never going to be in my mind. So when the chief minister called me up, there was never question about me. I immediately told him that there's no file or anything moved in this direction. And so it's fine with me, whatever statement being made. And I have already apologized to the medical fraternity if it has hurt their feelings.